my channel and welcome to the month of September. I am so excited that September is finally here. That means we only have a couple weeks left of the summer season and then it is time for autumn. Autumn has been and always will be my favorite season ever, so I am super excited that it's just around the corner. And today I thought I would just keep it low-key with you all and share a Bath & Body Works fall haul. And I have a little goodie box here full of scents and products that I purchased from Bath & Body Works. So if you all would like to see what I got, then continue watching. So the first two products I'm going to share with you all are these travel size body mist and lotion in the scent Whipped Vanilla Spice. I'm wearing this currently and it smells amazing. It has a wonderful vanilla scent to it, but it's more of like a grown-up vanilla scent, if that makes sense. You know, sometimes you smell vanilla scented products and they have like that kitty, like for kids vanilla scent, but this definitely has a more grown-up smell to it, so I am in love with it. The fragrance notes for this product read whipped vanilla, ground cinnamon, creamy tonka, and golden honey. So if you are a fan of vanilla scents, then I definitely recommend just going down to Bath & Body Works and giving this a smell because it just smells so lovely and I am super happy that I got to try these out. Another travel size item that I picked up is this body mist in the scent Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I sprayed this and it smells so good. I'm a fan of anything that has like a little bit of a coffee scent to it. So when I read this online and hadn't smelled it yet, I was like, I'm gonna give it a try because if it has a little bit of a coffee scent in it, then I'm probably going to like it. So the notes for this read, let's see here, it doesn't have it on the bottle so I have to look for it online, but this is a pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallow, creamy sandalwood, and praline musk. And again, if you like scents that have a little bit of a coffee, pumpkin, sweet scent to it, then give this one a try. And if you get three, you get it for the price of $12.50. So these are the three travel size items that I did pick, and I'm happy to be trying them this season. The next few products that I'm going to show you guys are products that I am so excited about. I have here Twilight Woods in the Fine Fragrance Mist, the shower gel, as well as the Ultra Shea Body Cream Lotion. This scent and I go way back. I'm talking like 5 or 6 years when the Twilight books and movies were out. I remember seeing an ad for this scent getting ready to come out and I was like, oh snap, I'm gonna go down there and see how this smells because I for sure want to smell like I'm a part of the Twilight books and movies and just feel like I am living in those Twilight Woods. I was a super fan back in the day. I did go down and I smelled it and I was obsessed with it, and I remember I owned the candle, the wallflowers, as well as all of these scents that I have right here. So I was so excited once I seen that they sell retired scents online on their website, bathandbodyworks.com. And I just knew that I had to pick up this scent for the autumn months, and I will read you the fragrance notes. It is lush berry, sparkling mandarin, soft mimosa, apricot nectar, and cypress wood. So unfortunately you cannot go to the store and give this a smell and see if it's for you, but I definitely do give it a thumbs up and I am just super stoked to wear this once those cooler months hit. And I have a couple of hand soaps here. This first one is called Candy Corn, and you know me, I could not pass this up. I saw the little unicorn with a candy corn horn and I was like, OMG, this is for me. So the fragrance notes read Boo Raspberry, Supernatural Citrus, and Nightmarish Nectarine. I didn't get a chance to smell it, but I was already sold on the packaging, so I knew that I had to try this out. The second hand soap that I got is this Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, which funny enough, I did not realize that I also bought it in the travel size Fine Fragrance Mist. So they do have the same notes, which read creamy pumpkin, toasted marshmallow, and warm praline. I bought this one in store and had bought this one online, so I did not realize that I picked up the two same scents, just different products. And the last product that I got from Bath & Body Works is this candle in the scent Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow. This smells Amazing. I just want to take a spoon and take a big old bite out of this, but unfortunately it's not edible. The notes read creamy vanilla, pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, and drizzled caramel. I can definitely smell the creamy vanilla scent with a little hint of like a spice, almost like a cinnamon, but I take it that's probably the pumpkin spice that's in there. This is just gonna smell awesome in my home. I can already tell. I can't wait to burn it for those cooler months coming up. And I have one more thing to share with you guys, but it's not Bath & Body Works related, but it's kind of fall-ish related, I guess you could say. These are cute, cozy pajamas with a black cat on it and like a queen crown. And I'm all about cozy, comfy pajamas. I got these from Five Below, $5 a piece, so I thought that was a good deal and would share it with you guys in case you wanted to go down and check it out for yourself. And that includes everything for this haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it was short and sweet, but I thought I would show you what Bath & Body Works has to offer. If you all would like to see more videos from me, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. I hope you guys have a magical day, and I will see you next week. Bye!